Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply voice changer to your video in Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have edited my video to my project, and before I apply voice changer to this video, I'm going to show you the original video. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the audio right here, and we're going to select voice changer. And as you can see that there are two types of voice changer. The first one is voice filters and the second one is voice correctors. And unfortunately this voice filters is not free, so I'm gonna move to the voice correctors and I'm going to try this one. Okay, and I'm going to try this AI robot. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with this one, guys. Okay, and now the voice changer has been applied to my video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to apply voice changer to our video in Filmora 14. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.